Hi, I'm Shrinya and welcome to Purple Seashell. Today we'll be making yummy and soft egg waffles. We will be needing 4 eggs, some cheese, some onions, some tomatoes, and some spinach, black pepper, and some salt. Let's get started. Whisk your eggs together. You could also add some other vegetables. You can even add tomatoes, but I don't like tomatoes, so I'm not going to use them. Now give it all a good mix. Now let's go ahead and add in the salt. Mix it well. Now let's add in our black pepper. Go ahead and get a waffle maker and make sure it's heated enough and pour in our batter. Go ahead and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Here's our yummy, soft, delicious waffle. I hope you try out these yummy and soft egg waffles. Bye! Thank you. Please subscribe to Purple Seashells.